I'm Law&Crime's Brian Buckmire, and these are today's top legal and sports stories here on the Fubo Sports Network. O.J. Simpson now owes $96 million to the family of Ron Goldman after being found liable for killing Goldman and Nicole Brown Simpson in 1994, according to the Goldman family. O.J. was ordered to pay $33.5 million to the Goldman family in 1997, but in new court documents, Fred Goldman says that the interest over the years has now reached $96 million. Fred says that O.J. has only made a handful of small payments, and since his release in 2018, O.J. has continued to make money and should be paying the Goldman family. The NFL and 6 teams have filed for arbitration in the racial discrimination lawsuit filed by Brian Flores. If the request is granted, Roger Goodell would be the arbitrator. The league and the teams filed papers with the judge presiding over the case, stating that employment agreements with teams signed by Flores and other coaches have a provision requiring arbitration for all disputes. Flores is now an assistant coach for the Pittsburgh Steelers, and Coach Steve Wilkes and Ray Horton have joined Flores' lawsuit, also alleging discriminatory hiring practices. The Manhattan federal judge will likely rule on the motion in a few months. David Gottlieb, the lawyer for all of the coaches, says that moving the case into the secrecy of arbitration would be, quote, stripping our clients of their rights. Deshaun Watson has settled 20 of the 24 lawsuits against him out of court, according to attorney Tony Busby, who represents all 24 accusers. This means that each settled case will be dismissed. According to Busby, the terms and amounts of the settlement are confidential. But Watson isn't out of legal trouble yet. There are still 4 cases against him, including the original accuser, Ashley Solis. Busby said that he looks forward to trying these cases in due course, suggesting a trial or maybe even 4 are in Watson's future. Those are your top legal and sports stories. Make sure to check out the day's most exciting live trials at the Law&Crime Trial Network, now available with a Fubo TV subscription.